Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel Crypto Halloween. So if you are a trader who always look out for exciting opportunities, a new kind of exchange experience and real crypto rewards just for participants. But before we dive into this video and all the details, I would like to ask you to like our video if you like, of course. Comment to this video to see your vision about our channel and also follow our channel to see all the new videos in future. So see you after this intro. So let's go now, and our platform today is Ourbit exchange. Ourbit exchange has gained attention in the crypto space for its fresh approach. It's a new gen trading platform designed to be fast, secure and user friendly, but what really sets apart of any other platform is the way gamify the trading experience. So whether you are trading spot trader, feature, or exploring decentralized trading volume, its DEX platform Ourbit offers something extra, real rewards and high level competition, interactive community events and a lot of things. So this is not just about making trades, but always about becoming part of an ecosystem that rewards all activities. So as you see here, this is for example the Super Cup 2025, and as you see this is an event that we will talk about in this video, but as you see this is in the first of our page. But before we dive into all the events that we can talk about it, how to trade in this platform, you must always to have an account in this platform. So how to do that is very easy. So just click sign up. You will go here, so you can just add your email, password, and after that confirm your email and you will be officially a member of Ourbit. So it's very easy as you see. So now let's go to the Ourbit exclusive events. So deposit and earn 2,200 in rewards, 20% deposit cashback. So as you see here, this event will end in 14 days and you can check all the tasks by here. And because Ourbit is really standout, so the campaign is very incredible and simple to join, and the best part is very spin guaranteed is a win. So that's right, 100% win rate. So whether it's USDT reward, a discount coupon, or access to another event special, you're guaranteed to take something home with either your spin. So as you see here, newbies only $500 in rewards as you see here. So during the event, new users can sign up and have until 450 USDT. So prize pool, all the prize pool, this is it. First of all, you must to sign up and bind your number phone to receive a voucher, and after that accumulate deposits as you see here from features account. And as you see here also the second task is trade and earn up to 400 rewards. This is all the details, you can check it here. The third one is 20% deposit cashback, so both for users, new users and also the existing users. But for my community, I guess there is a new user, so you will have the 20% deposit cashback, and the prize pool is $10,000 or USDT. You must also to complete the KYC and deposit at least $100 to be part of this. The fourth task is 100% loss coverage, and this is all the details as you see here, and you can check the term and condition to be part of this event and to benefit from this event without any problem. This is the first event that we have today, but because we are in the period of Super Cup or the Cup of World Cup, so Ourbit have a Super Cup 2025 event. Join to win until $1 million as you see here. So daily FIFA match prediction, because there is a match of Real Madrid and Al Hilal, so you can join and be part of this event and benefit from that. The event is in all duration of this cup, so as you see 26 days, and the rewards as you see here from the Footy card, Fanbox and future team showdown. As you see there is two ways, FIFA prediction rewards, so as you see here the real or the exact price pools from 150,000 USDT to 60,000 USDT as you see here. 2025 FIFA Club World Cup card hand here, so from all the champions, run up and third places, you can collect that from here just by clicking here. Don't forget, you must have an account to benefit from all that, so please go and sign up before going in this event. You can also open boxes, but when you have an account of course, and all that include football team, campaign, community events, various seasonal rewards where participants can win additional crypto price just by staying active and sharing their trading results. This is the days of the matches. You can check also here Paris Saint-Germain vs Botafogo. As you see here, also Flamengo vs Chelsea. Another match here. So all the days with the matches, so all the days with a chance to win. Limited time task, you can check it from here. First of all, the KYC verification, so you must have an account. Future account snapshots, so all the rewards you can get it from here. Also, you must check all the condition here in this disclaimer to be part of that and to benefit without any problem in the future. The event rules also are very important to have a full idea about the rules, to don't break anyone and to benefit from this event. And for my community, so I have do a collaboration between me and also Ourbit, as you see here. So you can deposit and earn $2,200 in rewards. So this is for the newbies, the task 1, the task 2 trade and earn. The third one, deposit cashback, and task 4, 100% loose coverage, that we have already talked about it in this event. But this time with my referral code if you'd like to help me, and also you can benefit from this event. So this is it about this video of today. Thank you very much for seeing and trusting our videos, and see you in the next video. But don't forget to put like, follow to our channel, especially comment to see your vision and feedback about our videos. See you later.